Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install League of Legends on Microsoft Surface X Pro. And to do this, we'll need to open our Microsoft Edge. Right here, try to find a game called, you can either go for Riot Games or League of Legends. I will write League of Legends and open this website. Right here, select Play Now. Click to download. Download for Windows. Click Open File when it's ready. Accept and install the game. Install the game when the button appears, and after download is finished, you'll be able to log in and play the game. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.